Alright, so this is your first coursework one, which will make up 40% of the final grade. Now, basically, the objective of coursework one is to test you the understanding as well as the ability to perform a relatively simple text mining process. Okay, so what is only required is the text mining or data mining clustering techniques that is required. Okay, up to lessons 6 and 7. Now you can read the background. Basically, it's about truck drivers who stop at places where they can rest during the long journey, right? When they are delivering the oil from one place of US to another place. So in between those, they will rest, and this rest house will provide for them their accommodation as well as the necessary food. So this is the feedback by the drivers to the owners of this rest place, and the purpose is really to get a feedback so that they can make improvement. Now, take note of these sentences. This is the sort of business objective. Okay. Now, every day they receive a lot of feedback. So, the owners of these rest places, they want to know what are the common concerns or even compliments. So, we have collected about almost 2,000 feedback from the drivers. Now, the data set can be found in this directory here. So this is the BI server under the data text mining, right? There's a directory. Inside this directory, there should be this number of text documents. One document will carry a feedback from one driver. Now, how is it being assessed? Now, the report that you submit will consist of will be marked according to 100%, but you'll be normalized to 40. Now, here the section here is just to provide an outline to your report. So this is just a general outline. So in your report, you should have these main sections. If you have subsections, it's fine. All right. So what we are looking for is, okay, some of these sections, problem analysis. So you can read this for yourself. In problem analysis, you define what actually you want to find out. The purpose of the analysis. Look at the data and briefly describe the nature of data and any assumption. So the weightage is 10%. Now, over here, this is where your actual text mining process starts. So remember, we have the text parsing, text filtering, and all those. The whole purpose is to prepare the data. After preparing the data, or the data has been transformed, then probably you want to use clustering to identify some of the common themes, okay, common complaints. Now you find that in clustering, which we'll do in lesson 6 and 7, there'll be different ways of probably identifying a better model. So you probably in your own work, you will come up with different version of the clustering model. So you should be able to identify why you choose a particular one for your analysis, right? So along the data preparation, you may have to make use of some of the concepts you have learned, like the stop list, start list, the synonyms, refining the part of speech. Okay, this one is probably done by the software, right? So you may want to refine your stop list, studies, or maybe your synonyms. Is there a synonym list that you can actually, and then here you interpret the results. Remember, the results here must relate back to your business question. Okay, in this case, our business question is relatively simple, right? We really want to find out the common themes from the feedback so that the owners of the rest place can take some action. Now, this part here, the reflection, is really a summary of what you have found. Okay, and also we'd like to hear from you a personal reflection of doing this coursework. Right? For example, okay, by doing this coursework, you reinforce certain concepts that you have previously not understood. Okay, or maybe when you look at your results, the coursework, and you find that actually you could have done in a better way, also put it down. There's really no right or wrong answer, but just a personal reflection so that you can reinforce your learning. Okay, thank you.